Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Salary Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
The allegations by Satya Malik is not, His Excellency the Governor of Meghalaya now, is not a generic statement that there was corruption in Goa. He has made specific allegations about COVID, procurement, about how the COVID funds were handled, how they were distributed, about the distribution of the, food grains and stuff, how one particular company was given the contract for oxygen, and their delay caused about 3,000 lives in Goa. So, in terms of, making of roads and all, construction and all of that, he has made some very specific allegations. So, a white paper needs to come out from the Chief Minister, and, on moral grounds, he should resign.
दुसरें, आमी गव्हर्नरा सांगिला, जोरी तर ते गव्हर्नर गेले, you are there as a custodian of the country. तुम्ही ताबडतोब एज चीफ मिनिस्टरले रेजिग्नेशन घेवचें म्हूण एज पर द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. आनी तिसरें, आमी मागलां की ताबडतोब judicial investigation जावचें, led by a retired High Court or Supreme Court judge. So these are the three demands we have put before the governor, and we have given also a memorandum. दुसरी गोष्ट जी आहा, काल आमी सिद्धी नाईक हांच्या घरा गेल्ले, and the parents has demanded that the case should be reinvestigated and handed over to the CBI. This is their demand. And fourth demand, the parents has said action should be taken against the police officials and other investigation agencies who have botched up the investigation.
A party led by Mamata Banerjee, Didi, who has the cleanest corruption-free image, is we want people like you, Doctor, come, work with us to build a new Goa.
People have no faith in the present ruling dispensation, the BJP. Like what Derek has been right now talking about, the constitutional head, आमचे गव्हर्नर पळय आसा पयलींचे आशिल्ले, ताणें डायरेक्टली सांगून दिल्ले आसा की भ्रष्टाचार चालूच आसा म्हणून आमच्या गोंयांत, आनी ते आयकून येजो आमचे. Earlier it was under the table corruption, now it has become institutionalized corruption. Otherwise, how can one explain to me, काँग्रेसाक आमी मॅन्डेट दिल्ली, 17 MLA निवडून तांकां दिल्ले, आनी तातूंतले 10 जाण काडले आनी ती उठून गेले. कारण कितें? आनी असली इन्स्टेबिलिटी जेन्ना पळय जाता तेन्ना मागीर गव्हर्नन्स कशें जातलें? दुसरी गोष्ट, जेन्ना आमी पळय आज उलयतात, Congress has conducted also many sins for which we are now going through a repentance.